What's up guys, it's Rahul here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be reviewing the iRecordata M30 SSD. So quite a while back I was editing on my Mac using a standard hard drive and things were really slow. So I jumped online on Amazon trying to look for some hard drives and SSDs I guess, and this one caught my eye. So I decided to message the company and they sent me the M30 SSD. The iRecordata SSD comes in three metallic colors, which is black, gold and grey. And you can get it on Amazon for $49.99 USD or 67 Australian dollars. The one I have is 64 gigabytes. You can also get 128 gigs, 256 and 512 gigabytes. So build quality wise, it's got a really sturdy metal build. It pretty much won't break. I've dropped this quite a few times. It's got scratched, I chuck it in my bag, pull it back out just to plug in, and I haven't had a single issue with it. When I first plugged it into the computer on my Mac, I was confused because it did not show anything. So what I did was I decided to plug it into my Windows computer, and lo and behold, it shows up finally. So what I realized was iRecordata provides you with a pretty cool software. So this software essentially prompts you for your username and password, actually just the password. And what it does is it encrypts all your data and also hides the drive. So this pretty much means that anyone who steals your drive can't access any of the data on it. But the biggest drawback I saw was that it's just a Windows software, so I couldn't actually use it on my Mac. So the only way I was able to get past this was essentially to log in, delete the partitions in disk management, and then I could finally start using it after formatting it. In terms of performance, this has a write speeds of 250 megabytes per second and read speeds of 300 megabytes per second, which is really fast. It's got really easy upgrades. So this has literally one screw right here. You take that off, pull this back off, and you've got access to the single mSATA 3 internal drive. So this drive, you can essentially take this off and put that drive into a standard laptop or desktop and it'll work just fine. Or you can get any third-party drive and just put it into here and use this as an enclosure. Overall performance was really good on both Windows and Mac. What I noticed was when I did a Blackmagic speed test, as you can see right here, I got 60.3 megabytes per second for write speeds and 188.9 read speeds. So it's kind of okay, but surprisingly I was able to edit Final Cut video in 4K without an issue at all. Fast transfers really quickly, and like I said, I was able to edit 4K video. So this SSD provides a significant upgrade over a standard external drive. Like I said, I was using a really old 500 gig SSHD and I guess it worked, but it wasn't the fastest thing and it made editing a bit hard. But using this, editing was like really smooth. I was able to edit with lots and lots of transitions, lots of cuts, everything. This SSD handled it really well. So I'm really happy to recommend this to everyone. Thank you so much to iRecordata for sending me this product. Be sure to check them out at the link in the description below. With that, be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap on that notification icon, and please chuck in a comment or two down below. This is Rahul signing out. Peace.